So in this interactive lecture, we will cover some of the key points from Chapter 2 in the Hutchinson textbook that focuses on pregnancy, conception, and childbirth. So here are some of the topics that we'll cover. We'll talk about the social and cultural context of childbearing and childbirth. We'll talk about the biological mechanisms that underpin reproductive genetics. We'll talk about ways that humans try to control contraception and pregnancy. We'll discuss fetal development and pregnancy along the life course. We'll talk about different conditions that make newborns at risk. We'll also talk about some different circumstances for conception, pregnancy, and childbirth, like when women use substances during pregnancy and other special circumstances. And then finally, we'll cover risk and protective factors in conception, pregnancy, and childbirth.